So guys, there was a mishap. Mishap में ये हुआ कि the screw of the helmet, my HJC helmet, it flew off somewhere और पूरी helmet की वाट लग गई. So now the helmet looks like this. वो तो अच्छा हुआ. Good thing I have the Elite goggles. It saved my life because there is no visor, because I can't put the visor also on because visor का जो screw है वो यहाँ पे लगता है. And the visor, and there was the cap thing, the lid that protects you from the sun. Both the things are joined with that screw system. So one of the screws on the left side flew away. तो वो गया. उसके बाद we removed the other screw. I have put the visor and the lid inside my bag. And good thing, Elite, thank you so much. And big thanks to my thinking कि I got that goggle. अगर मैं वो goggles नहीं लाता तो आज मेरी वाट लग जाती. So finally now the helmet, like I said, looks like this. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग को शुरू करते हैं. सो आज का व्लॉग कुछ ये है कि आई हैड सम ट्रबल विद द helmet. If you guys remember, there was an issue with the HJC helmet that I have bought for myself. So what was the issue? Well, for that you need to see a video. I'll be putting up a link over here. Please go watch it, and definitely you will come to know what the issue was. So coming back to that, so हुआ ये था कि because of that issue I had to sort of get replacement for the parts that I wanted. So मैंने पहले तो डीलर से बात की. So dealer said that they cannot provide a warranty for the helmet. So in that they would actually like to have a look at the helmet and maybe they would help me out. So first and foremost, with that said, I would like to thank Speed Merchant, who has been of phenomenal help when I needed that. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for giving me a temporary solution till the time the originals arrived. So now for the originals. So originals के लिए मैंने email लिखा था to HJC USA. I got a reply within 2 days from a person sitting in Singapore who was a marketing head of HJC helmet. अब वो बंदे ने वहाँ से मुझे email किया saying that we are sending you the helmet, and within a period of around a month or so, escalating the issue, the parts arrived, and I had actually shared a story on Instagram for that, and these are the parts that have arrived. It's the original screws for the helmet. मैं आपको पहले helmet बता देता हूँ, उसके बाद हम आगे का vlog आगे बढ़ाएंगे. So currently, as you can see, this is the part where the screw actually had fallen off on my tour to Nanded. The video, as I said, would be in the link above. You guys can watch the video and let me know if there are any questions that you guys have regarding this. So basically the screw kind of fell off, and Speed Merchant actually provided a temporary solution with these screws that were bolted over here with the visor and the sun lid of the helmet. So coming back to the topic, बेसिकली हुआ ये कि मैंने फिर बाद में अभी जब ये पार्ट्स आ चुके हैं, सो आई विल एक्चुअली फिक्स द हेलमेट with the original parts, and once the helmet is fixed and everything is done, let's just hope that the helmet comes back to its normal look, because मैंने ये किया नहीं है. This is something that I'll do right now in front of you guys and make you guys see के कैसे मैं ये fix कर रहा हूँ. And so yeah, that's it. And yes, again, thanking Speed Merchant was one thing. I would also like to thank HJC Helmets because they provided a great support. And secondly, I'd like to thank even Spartan Pro Gear, who's the official now dealer for HJC helmets in India, I guess. So they provide the helmets and the spares and everything. So जो parts मुझे आए थे originally from Singapore, they were sent to Spartan Pro Gear, and Spartan Pro Gear communicated with me through an email, and with that I got myself the parts for the helmet. So with that said, thank you so much guys that this was done. If you know, if you are a customer and if you feel that at some point of time you are not getting what you deserve, you know, where your helmet is, you know, having a problem or some big investment that you have done, when you get help like this, it's like return on investment. I you know, coin the term as the return on investment. This is your ROI that you deserve. So thank you so much everyone for providing me the support. So with that said, let's get I mean, you know, to work, and let's fix the helmet. So guys, with the now let's fix the helmet. So मैंने actually helmet के ये originals निकाल लिए हैं. This is the original screw of the helmet, so you guys can see it. This is the original screw, and this will go right here. Will go right here, and ये एक बार हो जाए उसके बाद of course the sun visor and the lid will be set up accordingly, and उसके ऊपर मतलब on top this screw will be fixed. So that is the plan, and that is what we are going to do. So first I'll get the helmet and the sun visor and the lid all cleaned up, and then we'll fix everything together. So guys, I have actually cleaned up my sun lid, and I have also cleaned up my visor. It's all clean, like you can see. Simple maintenance of helmet actually helps the helmet life go up to a certain amount of years. And I personally feel that a lot of people ignore that part. They just buy the helmet, that's it. Very few people actually go through the pain of maintaining the helmet's you know, cleanliness. They wash the insides, the visors are clean, the entire surface of the helmet is clean, etc, etc. Very few people I have seen who do that. Anyway, so अभी ज़्यादा देर नहीं करते, let's get to the fixing part. So guys, मैंने सब तैयारी कर ली है. Now you guys want to know how I'm going to fix this. Well, I'm going to use my Stanley toolkit. अभी उसमें से कौन सा क्या फिट होता है वो एक बार देख लेते हैं. मेरे अंदाजे से I will try and do it, of course. So पहले toolkit खोलते हैं, उसमें से देखते हैं कि क्या है क्या नहीं. So let's open the toolkit. It's already open. So अभी toolkit में से we will require this, and we'll be requiring something from here in order to get it fixed. So अभी screw कुछ ऐसा है. This is how the screw looks. ये ऐसा कुछ दिखता है. So let me just bring it out for you. So ऐसा कुछ screw दिख रहा है. So what we'll do is we'll try to match it with something. मेरे अंदाज़े से शायद ये वाला शायद फिट होना चाहिए. Let us try and see if it fits. So I'm keeping this here. अरे हाँ guys, are you enjoying the audio? Mic, the entire setup. I hope you guys have seen it on the Instagram stories. Anyway, तो अगर आप ऑडियो के लिए भी पसंद कर रहे हो तो भाई साहब ये देखो, it's a perfect fit. I guess this is also a fit. ये कौन सा था? 1. This is number 1, and एक और था. I think ये वाला भी शायद फिट हो जाएगा. हाँ, see there, it fits. But मैं सबसे छोटा वाला लूँगा. Why? Because it's a precise fit. I don't want the screw to get, you know, screwed up. Screw gets screwed up. क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार। सो गाइज हमने टूल किट में से ये निकाल लिया है। वी हैव फिक्स्ड द प्रॉपर मैचिंग type screwdriver to this for this screw, and now let us get this thing fitted. By this thing I mean the helmet. So अभी helmet कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है. This is how the helmet is looking. मैंने इसको at an average just fix कर दिया है and ये ऐसा कुछ fit होगा. This is how the helmet will fit on the screw part. यहाँ पे ये screw with this कहाँ गया, with this will cover this area like this originally, and ये screw फिर अंदर screw इसको screw कर देंगे, ठीक है. So without further ado let's do that. So guys मैंने ये थोड़ा सा setup कर दिया है with the helmet. ये कुछ ऐसा fitting होगा helmet का. The only problem that I'm facing is ऊपर एक छोटू सा प्लास्टिक का ये है. हाँ बट हो गया ठीक है. So this will be somewhat like this, और इसके अंदर ये वाला स्क्रू यहाँ पे ऐसे जाएगा. So I'll just tighten this a little bit. Same setting हम दूसरी साइड भी अप्लाई करेंगे, which is on this end of the helmet. ये भी अंदर जा रहा है and ये वाला थोड़ा पहले हाथ से टाइट कर लेते हैं and then we will tighten the screw up nicely. So ये पहला हो गया, so let me just tighten this. पहले इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं which side is. हाँ ये टाइट हो रहा है. हाँ ये वाला थोड़ा सा टाइट हो गया. गुड. ओके अभी सेम वे we'll tighten this also. So guys I figured it out. मैंने ठीक से कर दिया था. I had joined all the I screwed in the screws properly as you can see it. Anyway so basically वो ऊपर का जो screw था वो वैसे ही लगेगा as it was. Now basically sunlid का function ये है कि it typically I'll just show you guys the function of the sunlid. So typically sunlid जो है वो ऐसे ऊपर और ऐसे नीचे जाता है. It is flexible. You move it up and you can move it down. Okay, so and you can just tighten this at whatever setting you want. मैं हमेशा यही setting पे रखता हूँ. And your visor should go up and down. So ये वाला proper अभी ऊपर जा रहा है and proper नीचे तक बंद हो जा रहा है. So our helmet is typically done. There is nothing more to do. बस इसको थोड़ा सा बीच में थोड़ा सा टाइटनिंग करना पड़ेगा. So anyway guys I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again a big thanks to Speed Merchant, a big thanks to Spartan Pro Gear, and a very big thanks to HSE Helmets for their undying and relentless continuous support to their customers. I as a customer am really satisfied with the service that I have got, and very prompt service as I would say it, and I'm very happy and I'm very proud that I made an investment in this helmet, because it is what it is. I do not, I would not have appreciated if I would have been told that okay that the screw fell off, so then what can we do, but it was not the case. The screw fell off. It was maybe that problem itself was very big for me, and it was big for even the company, the HSE company and the dealers obviously. So I'm very thankful. So that's it. So that's it from my end. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and you know what to do. You know what to do? No? Arey, press the bell icon, yaar. Arey, jam, nudge press kar. Subscribe to the channel. And, please wear a mask, maintain your social distance. We are still not out of a pandemic. Please keep that in mind. Okay, that is like of some of paramount importance, that we know the meaning of this period that we are going through. It's a pandemic, guys. Always when you step out, please wear a mask. Always always maintain your social distance, wash your hands regularly, and yeah, that's it. So until next time, this is the Bawa signing off. Bye bye.